Hi, it's Ann from Henny Hills Farm and Gardens. Last year, about this time, I found the elusive morel mushrooms. Sorry, it's kind of overcast. So let's go take a look and see if we can find any. It's always nice to take a walk in nature. Everybody that goes mushroom hunting. I mainly go for the morels, which are hard to find. So, and nobody usually gives up their spot where they hunt them and get them at. So, well, I'm going to show you a couple little places. Sometimes when I go take a walk out in nature, I also have Miss Mute, the cat, following me. Besides Nala, the farm dog, and Hey, in which they're out exploring. Oh, there's Hey. See Hey? You can always see him. Nala, the farm dog, you can't see her. She kind of blends in. The part in Missouri that I live in, there are some places in fields, there's a lot of glade rocks. Well, since they're so little, I think I'll wait a couple more weeks and we'll see. We'll still finish our walk. As you can see, a lot of glade right in here. A lot of big old glade rocks. Thanks all for watching. Be sure to high five, and that means like, and subscribe. Bye.